हरिः ओम्। ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरिः ओम्। श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। Sumantra has come back after visiting Rama's ashrama. Bharata has to be informed. They have to inform Bharata. So Pratihari goes to inform him. But what happens? Kanchukiya, he sees and says, Aye, ayam atra bhavan Bharata kumaraha Sumantra agamana janita kutuhala hridayaha. Sumantra has come back, so with curiosity, his hridaya is full. Chiravalkala vasana. Even though he is staying in Rajabhavana and not staying in Vana, he is wearing not Rajavastra, but Chiravalkala. Chiravalkala vasanaha. Chitra jatapunja pinjarita uttamanga ita eva abhivartate. His jata, chitraha yaha jata punjaha, jata punja, tena pinjaritam, that is pitarakti krutam, uttamanga, that is his head, shirsham yasya saha tathoktaha, ita eva abhivartate. He is coming here only. Ya eshaha, and how is he? Now he describes, that is we see in verse 6. Prakhyata sadguna gana pratipaksha kalaha tigmaushu vausha tilakaha tridashendra kalpaha. He is from Ikshvaku Kula. He is Surya Vanshiya. So he has all those qualities, excellent qualities, excellent virtues they have in them. All Rajakumaras born to Dasharatha. Prakhyata Sadguna. Prakhyataha, that is Jagat Viditaha, known all over the world. Guna Ganaha, that means many ganas of guna, that means many good virtues. Like Shaurya, Audaryadi, Guna Samavayo Yasya Saha Sadguna Ganaha, he has. And Pratipaksha Kalaha. Pratipakshanam means Shatrunam. Kalaha means Samharta, who kills Shatrun, the god of death to his enemies. Then Tigmaushu Vansha Tilakaha. Tigmaushu Vansha Tilakaha. Tigmaha means Chandaha. Prakhara. Anshavaha Yasya Saha Tigmaushu, that is Surya. Okay? Tasya Vaushasya Tilakaha, that is Bhushanaha. Rama is also Ikshvaku Vausha Bhushanaha. Ornament of the solar rays. Then he is Tridashendra Kalpaha. Gods are 30 years old, Tridasha. They don't have, Jara or Marana. So they are always young. So they are Tridasha, and Indra is their king. King of God is Tridashendra. Kalpaha, that is, Kalpa means he is like Indra. Not exactly like Indra, but he is like Indra. Suradhipat kinchit unaha. Little less than Indra. and that means he is Indratulya, who is almost equal to the Lord of gods. That is what he is. Bharata. Ajnavashat, whose ajna? It was Bharata's, Rama's ajna, Bhratru Rajnaya. Bhrata, here is Rama, and by Rama's order, he is Sthitaha. He is within his orders, in obedience to the order of his brother, and has taken up the duty of protecting the whole world. Ajnavashat Akhila Bhu-Parirakshana-sthaha. Akhila Bhu-Parirakshana-sthaha. He is Sthita. That is the order given by his brother. Who is majestic? Shriman. Who is majestic? Shriman Udaraha. That is noble looking. Then Ramaniya Vigraha. His body is very beautiful to look at. Who is Kalabhebha. Who is Kalabhacha. So Ibhascha is Kalabha, is an elephant 30 years old. His Teja, his Abha, is like an elephant who is 30 years old. That means a very young elephant. Tena samanam yanam gamanam yasya saha. A 30 years old elephant how he would walk the elephant. Bharata's gait is also like that. So their gamanam is same as that elephant who is 30 years old. Saha eshaha bharataha. Saha eshaha bharataha. Asti, that we have to add. Panchavarsho, additional information, just I had collected. Panchavarsho gajo balaha potastu dashavarshakaha. Potastu dashavarshakaha. Triushat varshastu kalabho. Triushat varshastu kalabho. Vikko viushati varshakaha. Whose gait resembles that of a stately young elephant. Then the next verse, Bharata says, Vijaye evam upagataha tatra bhavan sumantraha. Here he has come. Upagata means Sumantra has come near. Gatva tu purvam ayam arya nirikshanartham labdha prasada shapathe mai sannivrutte društva kim agata iha atra bhavan sumantro ramam prajanayana buddhi manobhiramam. Purvam itaha, before, from here, Aryasya Ramasya Nirikshanartham, that is Darshanartham Gatva, that is Dandakaranya Bhumim Prapadya Labdha Prasadaha Paduka Rupaha. Prasada, the gift of sandals, he had got from Rama. Shapatha is condition. That condition is Chaturdasha Hayanatmaka Vanavasadhyavasane Aham Agatya Rajyam Pratigrahishyami Iti Evamcha Vaganugrahascha Mai Sannivrutte Pratyagate. When I came back, I got two things. One is Rama promised me that after coming from his Vanavasa, after completing his period of Vanavasa, he would come back and, look after the kingdom. He will accept the kingship. And another thing is, he brought sandals, Paduka, which was a symbol of Rama, and he kept it on throne. We have seen this. Now, Sumantraha, Ayam Sumantraha, Prajanam Nayananam Buddhinam. Ayam Sumantraha, Prajanam Nayananam Buddhinam. Buddha is to know. People admired Rama by appreciating his merits and not blindly. So they applied their buddhi also in appreciating Rama. That is what he says. Dhyam manasam hrudayanam cha abhiramam ramaniyam. Ramam društva iha rajadhanyam agataha kim? He is asking a question. Etena bharatasya utkata-kotiko bhavaha vyaktaha. He is very, very eager to hear from Sumantra the well-being of his dear, noble brother Rama. Buddhi manasaha grahana smarana vastha bheda vivakshi-kritaha. Just by listening to something and applying your buddhi to something makes difference. Then we go to the next verse. Kanchukiya says, Jayatu Kumaraha. Atha kasmin pradeshe vartate tatra bhavan Sumantraha. Where is he? You say Sumantra has come. Where is he? Asau Kanchana Torana Dware. He is at Kanchana Torana Dwar. Tenahi shighram praveshyatam. Send him immediately. Don't waste time. I want to listen from his mouth. Kanchukiya says, Yad Adnyapayati Kumaraha, and then Nishkrantav. Who both? Nishkrantav, both Pratihari and Kanchukiya. Tataha pravishati Sumantraha Pratihari cha. Sumantra sa shokam. Sumantra comes, but he says to himself, sa shokam, shokena sahitam yatha syat tatha. Kashtam, bhoho, kashtam. Oh, very, very difficult, very difficult. Difficult to tolerate, difficult to bear this. What is that difficulty? Narapati nidhanam maya anubhutam. Narapati nidhanam maya anubhutam. Nrupati sutavyasanam maya eva drushtam. Iha adhuna, or in this very life, atra ayushi sahaja sita pranashaha shrutaha. This gives him really bad sorrow. This is his dukkha. He says, I have seen, I have seen Narapati Nidhana, that is Dasharatha's death. I have seen Nrupati Sutta Vyasanam. Nrupatehe Sutaha Rama. His Vyasana, that is, he had to go to Vana. That also I have seen. Then Sita Pranasha. Sita Pranasha also he has seen. Me Ayusha Gune Bhavha Paradam Ayushaha Dirghatvam Gunasya Evacha Atra Dosho Jataha. He says, my long life has been greatly guilty. We always, give blessings. You live long. Long lives so and so. But here he says, my long life has been greatly guilty, as it were, as regards what is its merit. There are no gunas in it, but it is all filled with sorrow. Then he comes, Pratihari Sumantram Uddishya says, Etu Aryaha, Esha Bharta, here is Bharata, Upasarpatu Aryaha, go near him. Sumantra Upasrutya goes to Bharata and says, Jayatu Kumaraha. Bharata says, Tata, he calls him Tata. Api drushtaha tvaya. Have you seen? Have you seen? Loka vishkruta पितृस्नेहः पितरि स्नेहः येन सः लोके प्रकटितः. पितृभक्तिः येन सः refers to Ram, who showed to the people what the affection for parents should be. Then api drushtam dvidha bhutam arundhati charitram. Arundhati charitram tat abhidhanayaha Vasishta bharyayaha, Vasishta's wife Arundhati, prasiddham pativratyam. Her pativratya was prasiddha. So this is dvidha bhutaha, the quality of Sita. Dvidha bhutam aparena rupena Sita lakshanena vartamanam. That it means. Api drushtam tvaya, have you seen? Nishkarana avahita vanavasam saubhratram. Nishkaranam. There was no reason for Lakshmana to go with Rama, but he went. Vihita vanavasam. Nishkaranam. Saubhratram. Murtiman bhratru sneha Lakshmana. Have you seen? And Sumantra does not give any answer. He is lost in his thoughts. Sumantra sachintaha tishtati. There is chinta in his mind. He doesn't utter a word. Pratihari has a doubt whether Sumantra has heard Bharata's talk. Has he understood what Bharata is asking him? So she is, bringing him back to his senses and says, Bhartrudharakaha khalu aryam pruchati. This is, Sumantra is very sad, and this is how Bhasa expresses the manasika avastha of Sumantra. Instead of saying anything in words, he just, by actions, he expresses it. Sumantra says, Bhavati kim mam? Is he asking me? Bharata says, Swagatam, to himself. Ati mahan khalu ayasaha. This is very difficult. Kashta, Ayasaha means khedaha, manakleshaha. Santapat bhrashta rudayaha. Because bhrashtam means sthanat chalitam. He is not at a proper place. He is sthanat chalitaha. He is not where he has to be. His rudaya, chittam is tadrusha, so he is bhrashta rudayaha. Api margat antarat madhya margat pratinivruttaha. He has a doubt. Bharata has a doubt. He feels Sumantra has returned midway. He has not reached ashrama. Has he come back halfway? Sumantra says, Kumara tvan niyogat Rama darshanartham janasthanam prasthitaha kathamaham antara pratinivartishye. You have ordered me to go there, and I had started. How can I leave that work halfway and come back? How can I return leaving my work halfway? Bharata says, Kinnu khalu krodhena va lajjaya va atmanam na darshayanti. Then Kumara says, are you, Kimnu khalu krodhena? Is it because of anger or lajja, or you are introvert, you don't want to express your feelings? Is that so? Sumantra says, Kumara, kutaha krodho vinitanam That means संयमिनां कुतः क्रोधः, कृतचेतसां कृतमतीनां सुसंस्कृतः चेतः येषां तेषां कुतः वा लज्जा. They will never do anything of which they will have to be ashamed. So they will never do such thing. Maya tu drushtam tat shunyam tahi vihinam tapovanam. Now he comes out with that. He says, I have seen maya drushtam. What? Tat shunyam tapovanam. Taihi vihinam ataeva shunyam tapovanam I have seen. That means Rama, Lakshmana, Sita are not there. That tapovana is shunyam. Atha kva gata iti shruta? Bharata asks. Sumantra says, Asti kila Kishkindha nama vanaukasam nivasa. Kishkindha is Vanaukasam Nivasaha. Vanaukasam here means Vanaranam. Vanam Okaha Yasya, they are Vanaukasaha. One living in a forest. Here it means, monkeys, Vanaras. But when used as noun, this signifies monkey. Vanaukasa means those who live in Vana. But here it is used as a noun, so it means monkey. Divam okaha yasya saha divaukasaha. Gods stay in Divam, so they are divaukasaha. Divam okaha yasya saha divaukasaha. Tiryagyonaha tatra gata iti shrutaha. Hanta, Bharata says, Hanta, avidyata purusha visheshaha khalu vanaraha dukhitaha prativasanti. Vanaras, they have not seen them. Avidyata purusha visheshaha. So they are dukhitaha prativasanti. Sumantra says, Kumara tiryagyonayo api upakrutam avagachanti. He says, tiryagyonayaha api. That is, tiryag yoni means pashu pakshi. Pakshi, especially pashu and pakshi. Api upakrutam avagachanti. Avidnyataha purusha visheshaha, that is purushanam visheshaha, yaihi te. Eminent men of distinction, they have not seen. Vanaukasaha, Vanaraha. So he is worried. So Bharata says, Tata, ask him, Tata, kathamiva? Sumantra says, Sugrivo bhraushito rajyat bhrata jesthena valina rutadaro vasan shaile tulya dukkhena mokshitaha. By saying this, he says, Sugrivaha jesthena valina. Jesthena, that is Agrajanmana, who was born before Sugriva. Jesthena Agrajanmana Bhratra Valina Rajyat Bhraushitaha Aparuta Rajya Lakshmikaha. That means Sugriva Jesthena Sugrivaha Mokshitaha. Why? He was Bhraushitaha. Rajyat Bhraushitaha. By whom? His Bhrata Jesthena Valina. Aparuta Rajya Lakshmikaha. Then Rutadaraha. Rutadara Yasya, whose wife was abducted, Aparuta Yasya Saha Tathabhuta Vasan Shaile, Swayatti Kruta Patni Kaha. शैले, that is ऋष्यमूक अभिधाने पर्वते वसत सुग्रीवः तुल्यदुःखेन तुल्यं समानं दुःखं ऋतदारत्वलक्षणं यस्य तेन रामेण मोक्षितः वालिनं हत्वा तारानामस्त्रिया राज्येन च योजितः. Bharata says, he certainly notices that one word which Sumantra has used is little obscure. He says, Tata katham tulya dukkhena nama? How can they be tulya dukkha? Sumantra atmagatam, to himself, he says, Hanta sarvam uktam eva maya. I have told everything. And then openly he says, Kumara na khalu kinchit aishwarya भ्रंशतुल्यता मम अभिप्रेता. I had, in mind his Vaibhava, his Aishwarya was lost. Bhrausha. Rama's Aishwarya is also lost. So I was comparing these things with, Sugriva and Rama. Bharata says, Kim Tata Kim Guhase? Why are you hiding something from me? Swargagatena Maharaja Padamulena Shapitaha Syaha Yadi Satyam Na Bruyaha. If you do not tell me the proper truth, he has a doubt in his mind that he is hiding something. So he again, tells him that Maharaja Padamulena Shapitaha Syaha. You will be cursed by Maharaja Pada Mula. Ka gatihi, Sumantra says, Shruyatam. Vairam Munijanasyaarthe Rakshasa Mahata Krutam. Munijanasya, that is Rushijana Rakshana Hetoho. He wanted to protect Munijana, so he had, he had developed enmity with Rakshasa. Vairam Munijanasyaarthe Rakshasa Mahata Krutam. Ramena Mahata Balavata Rakshasa Nishacharena, that is Ravanena ityartha. Vairam means Virodha Krutam. Tasmat Ravanena Mayam Upashritya Sita Ruta. He had to tell Bharata. No other way. Kagati. Kagati, Sumantra say, Katham Ruta iti Moham Upagataha. He almost faints and says, Katham Ruta. Sita is abducted. Samashvasihi, Samashvasihi. Sumantra, consoles him. And he says, hold yourself. Hold yourself. Bharata comes back to his senses a bit and he says, Bhoho kashtam. It's really very, very bad. Pitracha bandhava janena cha viprayukto dukkham mahat samanubhuya vanapradeshe bharya viyogam upalabhya punar mama aryaha jimuta chandra ivakhe prabhaya viyuktaha. He says, Pitracha, Pitra, mama aryaha, Ramaha, mama aryaha, that is Rama, Pitra, that is Bandhava janena cha, Viprayukta, that means he was Durikrutaha. He was away from all his Bandhava jana. So he was Durikrutaha, Viprayukta. Vanapradeshe, Mahad Dukkham Samanubhuya, he has tolerated lot of dukkha, pains in Vanapradesha. It's not easy. Punaha Bharya Viyogam Upalabhya. Again he is, Viyoga, He was away. His Bharya was away. So, Bharya Viyogam Upalabhya, Khe means Akashe, Jimutaha means Meghaha, Jimutena Avrutaha, Chandraha Iva. Jimuta Chandra Iva Khe, Meghavruta Shashi Iva Prabhaya Viyuktaha. Shashi has its Prabha, its Tej. But when Shashi is avrutta by Megha, Jimota, then he is Prabhaya Viyuktaha. Then his Prabha is not seen, moves away from him. Prabhaya Sita, the source of his delight in the forest. Prabha, it was his Prabha in the forest. Sita was Rama's Prabha, his delight in the forest. And now she has also gone. Yatha Akashe Vartamanasya Shashino Meghenavarane Tat Prabha Viyujya Tam Tapayati Tathaiva Pitra Bandhavaihi cha Viyujya Khedam Anubhavitaha Ramasya Visita Viraha Paritapakaro Jataha iti bhavaha. Yet, like, I explained to you, when Shashi is, he loses his Prabha. So similar, because of Jimuta. So similarly here, Rama is, away from his Prabha, who was Sita. And he looks like that. Kim idanim karishe bhavatu drushtam anugacchatu mam tataha. What shall I do now? On hearing of Sita's abduction, Bharata thought of doing two things. To make his mother feel the sting of rebuke more acutely by telling her the incidents and going to his brother's rescue. These two things he thinks. Yad Adnyapayati Kumara Ubhav Parikramataha. They move around the stage and say, Kumara na khalu gantavyam devinam chatushalam idam. Chatushalam chatusraha shalaha samahataha. That is chatushalam. Anyonyabhimukham. Here are some rooms, here are some rooms. So they are opposite each other on all four sides. And this is the residence of queens. Queens used to stay in Chatushala. Atra eva me karyam. Sumantra feels that he is going at a wrong place. But then Bharata says, no, I have to go here only. Atra eva me karyam. I have work here only. Bhoho ka iha pratihare. Who is at the door? Pravishya. Pratihari says, Jayatu Bhartradharakaha. Vijaya khalu aham. Vijaye mama agamanam nivedaya atra bhavatyai. That means, you tell my agamana to the queen. That is Kaikeyi. Pratihari says, Katam asyai bhatinyai nivedayami. Which queen shall I go and tell? He said, Ya mam rajanam ichchati. There were 3 queens. Whom shall I go and tell this? Then Bharata says, you go and tell the one who wanted me to become Raja. That is Kaikeyi. Pratihari, Atmagatam. She says, worried now. Kimnu khalu bhavet. What will happen now? She is worried, Bhartaha tatha. Okay. Tataha pravishati Kaikeyi pratihari cha. Kaikeyi says, Vijaye mam prekshitum bharataha agataha. Pratihari, Bhattini Tatha. Yes, Bharata has come to see you. Bhartrudarakasya Ramasya Sakashat Tata Sumantra Agataha. From Rama's place, Janasthana, Sumantra has come. Tena saha Bhartrudarako Bharataha Bhattinim Prekshitum Ichhati Kila. Along with him, Bharata wants to see you. Simple. Kaikai Swagatam. She says, Kena khalu uddhatena mam upalapsyate Bharataha. Oh, uddhatena means prastavena upalapsyate. How will he? Dhikkarishyati. Ha dhik. He has already, dhik kruta Kaikai. So now she is again worried. What other upalambha he will give me? Pratihari, Bhattini, Kim Pravishatu Bhartrudarakaha. Can he enter? Kaikai says, Gaccha, Praveshaya Enam. Bhattini Tatha. Jayatu Bhartrudarakaha, Pravishatu Kilo. Vijaye, Kim Niveditam. Pratihari, Bharata asks him, have you told her? Have you told Kaikai that I have come? Pratihari says, means yes, I have told her. Te nahi pravishavaha. So let us enter. So he enters Kaikai's room, Kaikai's mahal with Sumantra. Pravishataha, both of them enter. Kaikai says, Jata Vijaya Mantrayate Ramasya Sakashat Sumantra Agataha iti. Vijaya was telling me that Sumantra has come from Rama. Bharata says, Atap param priyam nivedayami atra bhavatyai. Not only this, I am going to tell you even more priya to you. What I am going to tell you is more priya to you. That I am going to tell you. Kaikai jata api kausalya sumitra cha shabdaitavya. If you are going to tell me the priya thing, then shall I invite Kausalya and Sumitra also? Shall I invite them also? Bharata says, Na khalu tabhyam shrotavyam. It is not to be heard by them. That means it is to be heard by you. Kaikai Atmagatam. Kaikai says to him herself, Kimnu khalu bhavet bhana jata. She says, come on, speak out, son. Shruyatam. And Bharata recites this verse. Ya swarajyam parityajya tvan niyogat vanam gataha tasya bharya ruta sita paryaptaste manorathaha. Paryaptate manoratha. That means your manorathas are complete now. Yaha, the one, Yaha Rama, Tvan niyogat means Tvat prerana vashat, Adnyaya, Swarajyam, that is Atmanaha, Rajyam, Parityajya, Vanam gataha, Tasya bharya, Sita, Ravanena, Ruta, iti shesha. Paryaptaha sakalyena purnaha te manoratha abhilashaha. This is crowning stroke of rebuke must have come upon Kaikeyi like a stroke of thunderbolt. This was a thunderbolt for Kaikeyi. She says, Bharata says, Hanta bhoho. Here, hanta iti khede. Hanta bhoho. Satvayuktanam ikshvakunam manasvinam vadhu pragharshanam praptam. प्राप्य अत्र भवतीं वधूम. A vadhu, like atra bhavati, means you prapya, by bringing you as a vadhu in this Ikshvaku kula, sattva yuktanam, Ikshvakunam, who are sattva yukta, Ikshvakunam manasvinam, they are manasvin also. So such Ikshvakus vadhu pragarshanam praptam, their vadhu is aparuta. It is because of you. If they were staying here, we could have protected our vadhus. But because of you, Rama had to go to Vana. He could not, there staying in Vana, they could not protect her fully. And because of you, Ikshvaku Kula's vadhu was vadhus pragharshanam praptam. Ataha dhiktvam iti bhavaha. This is dhikkara for Kaikeyi. Tvam asmat kule agata, tvat karanat Ramaha vanam preshitaha. Tatra cha ekakina आरक्षिता सीता अपहृता राज्यस्था चेत न हारिष्येत इति अभिभरतस्य अभिप्रायः. This was, insult for Kaikeyi. Sadhikshepa. This was insult to Kaikeyi. And now he says, Kaikeyi, she keeps quiet. It says, Bhavatu idanim kalaha kathayitum. He says, now Bhavatu idanim kalaha kathayitum. Now is the proper time has come to tell the, proper why I have done all this. This is the proper kala. Before that, she had told Bharata, Deshakale nivedayami iti yat trutiyanket uktam. In third act, Kaikeyi had told Bharata that Deshakale nivedayami, at proper place and time, I will tell you. Tad anurodhat aha kala iti. Bhavatu idanim kalaha kathayitum. Jata tvam na janasi maharajasya shapam. She says, Jata, you do not know Maharajasya curse. Maharaja was cursed, and that incidents you do not know. Kim? Bharata asked, Kim? Shapto Maharajaha? He was not aware of all this. So he asked with surprise. Kaikeyi says, Sumantra achakshva vistarena. Sumantra knew about it because he was always accompanying Dasharatha. So he knows about this shapa. So she tells Sumantra to achakshva vistarena. Sumantra yad adnyapayati bhavati. Kumara shruyatam. And he says, Kumar Pura Mrugaya Gatena Maharajena. Pura, long back, Mrugaya Gatena Maharajena. Maharaja had gone for, Mrugaya, Paradha. Kasminchit Sarasi Kalasham Purayamanaha Vana Gaja Bruhitanuskari Shabda Samutpanna Vanagaja Shankaya Shabda Vedhina Sharena Vipanna Chakshushaha Maharshehe Chakshur Bhutaha Munitanayaha Hyusitaha. He tells Bharata that story. Shapam, this Shravanasya Pitra Dattam. Shravanasya Pitra Dattam Shapam. Ramasya Vanagamane Shapa eva sakaranam न अहम इति त्वत् कर्तृकं मद उपालंबनम सर्वम तत् अज्ञानमूलकम इति आशयः. When Maharaja had gone for Mrugaya to Vana, somewhere, Kasminchit Sarasi, in some saras, in some lake, he heard Kalasham Purayamanaha. Somebody, Kalasha was immersed in that water and it was being filled with water. It made a noise. And that noise, Dasharatha mistook for Vana Gaja Bruhitanukari Shabda. As if Vana Gaja had, uttered that Shabda, that sound. He had made that sound. So thinking that Vana Gaja is there, he, Vanagraja Bruhitanukari Shabda Samutpanna Vanagaja Shankaya. He thought it is Vanagaja and his Shabda Vedhina Sharena. Dasharatha had that skill, he was Shabda Vedhi. He heard the noise. And to that, he would throw his arrow and that will not be without any effect. That will kill the prey. So he thought it is Vanagaja. So Vipanna Chakshushaha means the Vipanne Gate Chakshushi Yasya Tasya. His parents did not have eyes, Shravanas. Vipanna Chakshusha. Maharshehe, he was a Maharshi who had no eyes, who had no drushti. Chakshur Bhuto Munitanayaha. But how they could see? Their Chakshu Bhuta Tanayaha. Munitanayaha was their Chakshu Bhuta. They could see through the eyes of their son, and that son was Hiusitaha. Bharata is shocked. He says, Hiusita iti, shantam papam. Tatas tataha. Sumantra says, tataha tam evam gatam drushtva. By seeing their son, dying like that, tena uktam, he said, let us see this 15th verse. Satya bhashina tena uktam ruditasya ante munina satya bhashina satyam bhashitum shilam yasya tena satya bhashina munina rodanasya ante uktam. He cried and cried and cried. He must have, akrosha. After akrosha, he said, Yatha aham putra shokat evam tvam api putra shokat vipatsyase. Like I am dying because of my son's death. You will also die because of your son's death. So this was shapa given to Dasharatha. Kaikai iti. Bharata says, Nanu kashtam nama. This is very difficult. And now Kaikai speaks because she gets some bala, samarthya. Sumantra has explained to him. So she says, Jata etan nimittam aparadhe mam nikshipya putrako ramo vanam preshitaha. Now she knew that everybody will blame her. Everybody will call her, bad names. They will, dhikkruta. They will insult her. In spite of that, knowingly, she did all this. And she sent Rama to Vana only because of that. Na khalu rajya lobhena. I did not have any greed for rajya. Apariharaniyaha maharshi shapaha. Maharshi has, his shapa will be definitely, will come true. So, you cannot avoid it. So putra vipravasam vina na bhavati. Unless the son dies, Raja, king, will not die, because he has to die because of putra viraha. As it is, he was jeerna and ailing. He was thinking of going to Vana. So Kaikeyi arranged it so that, Atha tulye, then she says, Bharata tells her, Atha tulye putra vipravase katham aham aranyam na preshitaha. You wanted putra viraha to Dasharatha, then I am also Dasharatha's putra. Why did you not send me to Vana? To that, Kaikeyi answers, Jata matula kule vartamanasya prakruti bhutaha te vipravasaha. You were staying in your uncle's Matula Gruha at Nandigrama, so he was used to have you, away, but he was not used to have his son Rama away from him. Atha Chaturdasha Varshani Kim Karanam Avekshitani? Why did you say Chaturdasha Varshani? Then she said, Jata Chaturdasha Divasa iti Vaktu Kamaya Paryakula Hridayaya Chaturdasha Varshani iti Uktam. I wanted to say Chaturdasha Divasaha, but I was Paryakula. I was very much tensed up in my mind. So I had all this burden on my mind. So because of Paryakula Hridaya, I said Chaturdasha Varshani. It was my slip of tongue. Bharata says, Asti Pandityam Samyak Vicharaitum. Asti Pandityam Samyak Vicharaitum. Atha Viditam Etad Gurujanasya. She says, Bharata asked her, you did this, but did Gurujana, like Vasishtha, Vamadeva, did they know about all this? Or it was your own decision? It was all your plan? Atha viditam etat gurujanasya. Then Sumantra says, Kumara, Vasishtha, Vamadeva, Prabhutinam, Anumatam, Viditam cha. Vasishtha, Vamadeva, these are the Gurujana, and they had approved it also. They knew this and they had approved of this plan also. So, Bharata says, Hanta, Trailokya Sakshinaha Khalu Yete. They are Trailokya, they can see, in all three Swarga, Swarga, here Mrityuloka and Naraka, all three places, whatever is happening, they can, see them. Trikala Darshi, Trikala Sakshinaha Khalu Ete, Gurujanaha, Dishtya Anaparadhat Atra Bhavati. Now he is convinced and he says, oh, Kaikeyi is not guilty. Anaparadha. Amba yat bhratru snehat samutpanna manyunam maya dushita atra bhavati tat sarvam marshayitavyam. He says, Amba, mother, yat bhratru snehat, because of my love towards my brothers, samutpanna manyu, the anger developed in my mind, and that is why I called you aparadha. I put blame on you. Dushita tatra bhavati. Maya dushita atra bhavati. That means I put blame on you. Now sarvam marshayitavyam. Arya abhivadaye. Now Kaikeyi says, Jata kha nama mata putra kasya aparadham na marshayiti. Mother will always excuse her son. She will never have it in her mind all the time, She will never get angry with her son. So, who is a mata will never, get angry with the son. Whatever he does, whatever he talks, Mata will always excuse her putra. Uttishtha uttishtha ko atra doshaha. Bharata says anugruhitosmi. I am obliged because you have said that. I am obliged. Apruchhami atra bhavantam. Now I take leave of you. Adya eva aham aryasya sahayartham krutsnam rajyamandalam udyojayami. I will, gather all today itself. Today itself, I will collect. I will, gather all my Rajamandala, and now what he wishes to do with the Rajamandala, we will see next time. That will be the end of our 6th chapter, and next time we will begin with Saptamanka, 7th chapter, that is the last chapter. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari